So one of the most hotly debated topics on LinkedIn is connection requests. And should you send blank ones or should you send them personalized? And I'm going to answer that question and do it, as always, in under 2 minutes. So the way that I'm doing this is that I am sharing actual personalized connection requests that I received. The first one, super lazy. All they did was write my name and then copy in a completely generic message. This is the kind of connection request that I would skip past and not accept. This person is better off doing a blank one. Number 2 is templated. Basically what they did was they went to my profile, they looked at the hashtags of the topics that I talk about, they mentioned those topics, but they really did no research. This is slightly less lazy, but also pretty lazy. I may or may not accept this connection request. So in this case, I would definitely recommend the blank one. Now the third one, this one's interesting. This guy did his research. He mentions my hat, he mentions the tone of my content, he gives me a nice compliment. So this is the kind of connection request that not only did I accept, but I actually also booked a coffee chat with this guy. So if you're going to send connection requests like this is definitely better than a blank request. So to come back and sum it all up, you are definitely better off sending blank connection requests unless you really go in and do the research and make it super personalized to the person that you are trying to reach out to. As always, for more 2-minute videos on how to master LinkedIn, subscribe to the channel. See ya.